How to share posts to multiple Facebook groups at once. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily share your post to multiple Facebook groups at once. So first thing, make sure you are logged in with your Facebook account on your Facebook, and before you do this, just make sure you are on your Facebook page rather than on your Facebook profile. So let me just show you what I mean. So this is my personal Facebook profile, and to tag or to post on multiple Facebook groups at once, you will require a Facebook page. So if you already have a Facebook page, if you don't already have a Facebook page, just create one from over here by clicking on the pages I section. And if you already have a Facebook page, simply click on your Facebook page and switch on your Facebook page just like this one by clicking on this button. And once you switch to your Facebook page, what you need to do is simply click on your post on your what's on your mind section, and from over here you can type anything, or you include any image like this, just like this. And once you do that, simply click on next and wait for some time until you see the groups. And inside in this section you will be seeing all of your groups where you want to include. For me, in this case, I only have joined in one group, so it's only showing one group. In your case, there might be a lot of multiple groups. You can simply select it like this on all of the individual groups at once and simply click on post. And that is exactly how you can easily share the post to multiple Facebook groups at once. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.